Hi, welcome back guys for another video on GU. This is pretty much an update on my last video yesterday. Pretty much yesterday I was saying GU is H4 still bullish, still have a bullish structure. At the same time, the retracement that we saw yesterday was around like 23.6% retracement, and in order for us to see any type of bearish move, we'll need to at least have 38.2% fib level structure broken, right? That was one of the things I said. And also the second thing I did say was GU price currently was below our daily and weekly level of resistance, right? And what we were looking for was for a rejection at that level, which is right here where price is currently right now. As you can see on it 4, this is a lower high that's made on an uptrend, which is not normal. So we should see some type of bearish bearish move, either this week or actually, yeah, should be at least this week. Should be seeing that kind of stuff. Considering that in the next 15 minutes there's CPI news, so most likely gonna push it, but can't really tell which direction the CPI news is um, gonna push the market, right? So that is one thing I cannot say or do, and I don't trade news. So that's one of the news I don't trade. CPI news and CPI news. I don't trade CPI news and NFP. I don't trade those two major news. There's other news that comes out that I don't really see them and stuff like that. But these two I don't trade them. But yeah, I'm gonna go to our daily and show you some. So our daily is, like I was saying, it's on daily resistance level, which is the a new high that is made, and we also can see that it's also forming exhaustions, right? Exhaustion levels, doji and stuff like that. So this is what's happening on our daily chart right now. And for our weekly chart, about to show you what's happening on our weekly chart. Weekly is currently at the 61.8%. So why I draw it this way was because why I drew my fib like that, so y'all can understand why my fib is drawn at the area that it is currently right now. So right now, previously on what April's or the April time frame, it was on a bullish move and structure broke, right? Once structure broke, I always use my fibs to measure the movement, and last movement was around 78.6, right? And that's where I drew my next fib from this level all the way down. And you may ask why I didn't put it right there. It wouldn't make any sense because if I'm drawing from a downtrend, it always gonna be a bearish candle with another bearish candle, and also all this level right here, wick level, all this exhaustion is not really actual volume, right? So on a line chart, it's perfectly aligned with my fib level. So yeah, that would be the correct way I would I draw. You should be drawing your fib level if you're using fibs. Next thing gonna mention is right here. That was a resistance level. This area right here was a resistance level, and right now price is currently at the same level, which also align with our 61.8%, and also on the same area with our monthly key level. This is my monthly key level. As you can see, right? It's close, right? So we should be seeing some type of bearish move, but can't really tell when that's gonna happen because our H4 structure needs to be broken. Although it did show a lower high that was made on an uptrend, which is a good sign that more sellers have entered the market. And for our each one. I'm gonna explain why I have this thing on right. So each one structure already broken. It's still doing the lower highs and stuff like that, right? Um, why I have this trade on? So I had this trade on earlier today, but actually it's not currently active. I already closed it out. This is pretty much my projection of what I'm expecting for GU. Um, I didn't stay on that trade because news is coming out soon, like around 8:30 for CPI news. So I didn't want to stay. I don't want to stay in, right? I don't trade news, so I took my profit and left. That trade was about like 15 pips, and that was it. All right. So since I talk about that, don't need that. Um, right now, M15, we could tell it's have a broken structure, right? Should be seeing some type of continuation to the bearish side or the downside. But at the same time, news is coming, so since I don't like news, can't really tell you what you should be doing if you see this setup. I mean, you if you want to take it, you can, but me personally, I'll stay out of it because of news. Uh, H1, H1 is I would say currently bearish because I already broke this structure right here and made lower high, made a first lower high, tested that level of that was support turn resistance, and did the same thing again, and had a lot of exhaustion at the same area. Uh, yeah. Also, that's the same area that we saw for our H4 time frame that create that lower high, right? So we could we could strongly confirm. I would say confirm, assume. I would say assume that GU will go bearish, you know, because it's showing everything that's should be doing for us to go bearish. And also there was one thing that was mentioned. What was that at? Oh, that was earlier today. There was some news came out saying the GU it doesn't seem more what was it? Doesn't seem more appealing or something like that, which um which pretty much aligned to everything that we are seeing like from our high time frame stuff like that. So let's see, where is it at? Mm, Man, I know I saw it earlier, but it was some type of news. Stanley Kura. But yeah, I don't really trade news. I don't trade news, but it was some news that came out, something about Sterling or something like that. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, it pretty much aligned to everything we want and expect. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is it for this video. Not gonna go rant on this video, but what I said yesterday was we were waiting for a rejection on that area, on that daily zone, so on that daily resistance level, which is I would say currently happening. We got 38 minutes left for this bearish candle to close, H4 candle to close, and this right here, all four candles will be considered a bearish engulfing variation, pretty much meaning on lower time frame there is a break of structure that already happened, right? So that's one of the nugget you should be pay attention to. So anyway, like I said, this is the end of this video for me. Um, yeah, if you guys trade news, good luck. About 8 minutes left, but I'm probably gonna make another snippet or like a short video and drop it and see. But yeah, yeah, thank you guys for watching and hit the like button on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.